Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to change Google account display name step by step so you can easily update how your name appears across Google services. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Google homepage, which is the main access point for all Google services. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon, as this is where account settings and personalization options are located. Step 2. From the menu that opens after clicking your profile picture, select Manage your Google account. This option takes you to your Google account dashboard, where you control personal details, security, and preferences. Step 3. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on Personal Info to view your basic account information. This section is important because it contains details like your name, birthday, and contact information used across Google. Step 4. Scroll to the Name section and click on your name to open the editing page. This is where Google allows you to customize how your display name appears on Gmail, YouTube, and other services. Step 5. Click on the pencil icon to edit your name, then type in your new first and last name. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes and update your Google account display name. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.